Tornado Story Part 3. Alright, so at 3 in the morning, I woke up and then my friend Evan invited me at 3 a.m. and I was so scared to wake up because scary things happen at 3 a.m. And then I went to my first friend's house, not first. And then it was at nighttime. If you don't know what 3 a.m. is, comment down below right now. And wait, it was like 2 years ago. Or no. Hold on, let me think. It was like when I was 1 year old. My mom, or no. When I was like 4 years old, I was so scared to wake up. It was like in the 2013. Or no, it was like in the 2016. And then my friend said, "What's up?" And then I slept in my own sleeping bag, but he had one. But the next day was so windy that we could never exist. The sirens were very loud. They were like, it was like that. And then a thunderstorm came, and then a tornado. A tornado watch or a tornado warning disappeared. And then I just like to see tornadoes, but it's too dangerous because it could lift you up, drop you miles away, and then kill you because the concrete is super hard. So don't even go outside during a tornado. And so I went to the J House Vlogs house with my friend. With my two friends and my brother. His name was Tucker, my brother. And then Taven, my friend. And then Evan, my friend. And we all went to J House Vlogs house. It was like 5 miles away and we could never get there. And the tornado was following us. You would never, ever existed. It was Laura's birthday. And I said, "Saji, everyone." And they said, "Sup." Because the sad thing was my parents were dead. And I had new parents when Laura's mom had a baby. And a big tornado just hit. So Caleb had to go to the hospital because he was on the trampoline and then there was a hole in it and then he fell on his chest. No! Stop messing up. And he had to go to the hospital and I went home, their home, and my brother had to sleep in his sleeping bag, and that's it. The end.